Hello. So I'm back again today to do a new project. We are going to make a pencil holder. So with all recycled materials we will be using. If you see, this is a very beautiful pencil holder. I used only cardboard and some acrylic paint with toilet rolls, kitchen towels or masking tape or anything. The inside part, when you finish, you can use those ones. So only those things you will be needing for this, and this is the project we will be doing today. So I will keep the project in a side. For the starters, you need a cardboard for the bottom part. So first you will do is the cardboard from the bottom. So I want you to color that one. It's up to you which size you will be taking. You can color it. So what did I do? I already had colored one in a side. I think this is from a book, the back side of the hard part. So I used that one. So I already colored it and left. So you can use that one. So apart from that, you can use is rolls like this one. So you can see I have two kitchen towel. This is a kitchen towel roll and this is toilet roll and this is a small tape roll. So in case if you do not have paint, we always have a backup. So I will use these color paper pieces. You can use the color paper and you can glue it around it like this way. In case if you don't have paint, you can always try this technique. It's very easy and I will show. But first I will finish up this one. First one roll I want to color in green color. I just want to use the mix way so you can get more ideas. You can use, I'm using green color. One roll I'm going to color. So if you like, you can color all the rolls. But in case if you don't have paint, you can always use papers also. That's why I'm going to use 2 or 3 techniques together, so you will get any idea that if you don't have color paper, you can use different paint and like that way. So I want you to use like few techniques as a backup in case if you don't have all the materials. So this, you can see toilet rolls are very good. Kitchen towel, toilet rolls, masking tape or anything inside part. So the rolls are very important. You can use for so many things. You don't need only to make for a pencil holder. You can make boxes and everything. That will be another lesson for another day. I will. My plan is always to use some recycled materials you can find from inside the house. So here see, now I already colored it. I will leave it to dry. And remember, when you use acrylic paint, always put your brush in the water once you finish it. So the second I will be not doing is this one. I will use, you can use white glue, it's up to you. But I like this glue. This is kind of quickly drying. That's the reason I love this glue. There we go, around it. You can use white glue, it's totally fine. But for me, I want quick things, what to do. So I am thinking this is a very easy way so I can quickly apply, and most importantly, it's quick drying. That's why I like it. Go around it. Like this way. I have a little bit extra part, so I will remove it. So this is another way. If you don't have paint, you know what to do now. So this is a one technique. If you don't have paint, you can always use colored papers and stick it around the roll. You don't need to paint it. That is another way. So this way, see this one. This is called decoupage technique. You can use different color paper pieces like anything. So I already have this gift wrapping paper pieces, different colors if you see. This one, it's not a one color, it's different colors. And what you need to do is you tear it to small pieces like this way. And you apply glue and stick it over it. So it's called decoupage. So you can use any kind of tissue papers and do that one. Not only tissue papers, you can use on gift wrapping papers, well, in magazines there's nice color papers, you know, when they do advertisement, those paper pieces are very nice, bright, and it doesn't matter about the colors. Don't think about there's letters or anything, because always they have bright colors, so you can cut those pieces and use as a deco patch also. This is the other one. Now I will tell you what to do. Once your work is done, you apply white, any glue. If you want quickly, you can always go for what do you call this, hot glue. That is quick drying. Within few seconds you can apply. So excuse me. You can stick it. Use the different size. Now I want you to know, in case if you don't have the toilet roll or masking tape rolls, what you will do? Go for styrofoam cups. This is a good. You can color these ones. You can color and use styrofoam cups also. 3 cups or 4 cups, it's up to you. Together you can do styrofoam cups. Then again you can do normal coffee paper cups also. This one you can use that. Pringle tins, very good. You can use different sizes, you know, in market there's Pringle tins, you have always can get few sizes, different sizes, so you can use Pringle tins also. You don't need to always use the same materials that I'm giving ideas for you, like instead of coloring you can use decoupage technique or color paper and stick it. Or if you don't have toilet rolls, you can use always what do you call, mask styrofoam cups or coffee cups like this way, or Pringle tin. Those are anything you can use for this technique. So once your work is done, so if you see now my almost done, I use 3 different shapes, size, and if you see these 3 different size. So what I will be doing is now decorating. For decorating you can use buttons, or you can use some nice stickers. I have some stickers, so I'm going to use some nice beautiful stickers. Not too much. In case if you don't have stickers also, you can make your own stickers. These butterflies and hearts I cut by, I have a puncher, so I use the puncher and cut. You can cut by yourself. You can draw the paper art piece and then you can cut around it. And you can use buttons, sweekins, anything that you can find around your house. You can use those ones. Just for decoration, so you don't need to take too much things. And right, as I said, you can use some buttons also. Different colors are nice. This is very simple. You don't need to take too much materials. If you don't have buttons or anything, you can use color papers and make some flowers. You can use quilling. It's a very good idea. You can use quilling for decoration of this one. You can use like fabric pieces. This is made out of fabric nets, so I cut more small pieces and I stick it. So you can try the same thing. If you see my project, I can put so many things. I put let's see, in this side color pens, pencils, glue, even I can put all my clips like that way. So this project, it's very nice. You can try with different way. If you see all the papers are there, and here I have, this is simple one that you can make at home. You can try your own way, the way with your own materials without any problem. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's project. This is very easy, simple, and not too much materials you need. You need a cardboard for the bottom part. Then you need Pringle tins or toilet rolls, or then again cups. anything you can use, color, glue them. Then you can do some decoration with buttons or sweekins or anything, quilling papers, and anything that you like you can use, and leave it to dry for like 15 to 20 minutes. It will be drying. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's project. See you tomorrow with a new lesson, new idea. See you.